Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about the CUDA installation. CUDA is nothing but it's a computer program or can be called as a software which can be used to speed up the deep learning process. So the deep learning programs takes about several days and months. So depending upon the program, the training phase of the model just increases as the complexity increases. So in order to just speed up the process, the CUDA is used to parallelize those training process and it effectively reduces the training period. So let's see the CUDA installation. So first of all, make sure you have a valid graphics card. So in this case, CUDA is only supported with the NVIDIA graphics drivers. So make sure you have a valid graphics driver. And then you have to ensure about the NVIDIA drivers. So ensure you have a game ready driver in your system enabled. So you can visit this website. I will just share the link in the description. GeForce, mine is GeForce RTX 3060 series. So you have given these specifications. And once I search them, I get this. So you should just download and then install this. Then you get a window of GeForce Experience. And once you have successfully completed this step, you have to install the CUDA Toolkit. So I suggest that CUDA Toolkit of version 11.8 is a stable version. So you can click on the Windows operating system, x86, Windows 11. So you can download this. I have already downloaded them. So once you have downloaded, you just extract those NVIDIA GPU Computing Toolkit. And inside the CUDA, you have the version 11.8. So keep this aside. And now we are going to use the CuDNN library, so which comes along with the CUDA as an extension pack. So CuDNN library is specifically used for deep learning, which leverages the, as I said previously, which leverages the parallelizing of the programs and the training period. So CuDNN archive can be downloaded with this link. I will just give them in the description. So for the CUDA toolkit of 11.8 version, CuDNN version of 8.96 is a suitable one. So you click on this local installer for Windows zip. So until then, let's install the Visual Studio installer of 2022 version. You can click on the download and then after installing them, you will get this as Visual Studio installer. Move into this. I have already installed, so I just navigate you to the right path. You can modify. So once you have installed and just open the platform, you get this window here. You have to check this the desktop in development with C++. So this particular library just transforms the C++ written code in the CUDA, which can be interact with our Python programs and TensorFlow, PyTorch, anything. So just check them, and then once you check this checkbox, you get these checkboxes in the right hand side. You just click on them, and finally you will get a total size of around 10 GB. Once you get it, you can just press on the install while downloading button, and this process will going at the background. The file has been downloaded. So let's just extract. So here you have to copy all of this and then place it inside, and you have to paste it here. And then the same for the include. So you have to copy them. So I just speed up the video and paste in the include. And then the lib64. Yeah. So and then it's done. So once we have completed this step, so we have to add the necessary variables to the environment. So we can just utilize this notepad where I have created all of the necessary paths. I just put these paths in the description box. You can just access them. So we require all of these for the 11.8/bin and only 11.8 include lib and libnvvp. You can create a new and then just name it as CUDA path v11.8, edit, and all these variables are pasted from here. So you can give OK. And then once you have completed till this step, after also while ensuring this Visual Studio installer has been completed successfully, you just need to restart the system. And once you have restarted, just type the below code NVIDIA SMI. So if you see this window, you can just ensure that the CUDA and CUDNN has been linked successfully. And here you can see the version of CUDA as 12.3. So which says that our current game driver, which supports currently with the version of 12.3. So it doesn't mention our current CUDA version. It supports the maximum CUDA version. Our driver just supports. So once this step has been completed, create a new environment. Conda create -n, any names like a GPU test, and then I suggest the Python versions to be with 3.10. So it works for me fine with the versions of 3.10 and CUDA 11.8 along with CUDNN 8.96. So once after installing them, you just activate Conda activate GPU. I just need to just install the pip packages for the TensorFlow GPU. Pip install TensorFlow GPU equal to 2.10.1. Okay. So once you install this, you can just check like importing the TensorFlow, and then you just use this code to check whether your system, which means whether the TensorFlow is accessing your system's GPU. So it says that we have a physical device of device type GPU and the driver count is 0. Our program has successfully established a connection with the GPU of with device 0. So since I have only one GPU, so I have a device ID or count as 0. And that's it for now, guys. See you up in my next video. Thank you.